I've been pretty excited about ceramic cookware and bakeware lately. I love that the industry is moving away from the yucky nonstick surfaces of the past. So when our place sent me their 3-piece ceramic nonstick bakeware set for free, I was pretty excited to check it out. First impression, these pans are heavier than I expected. Not flimsy, not bendy. They feel like serious high-quality bakeware. But I didn't realize they're custom made for the Our Place Wonder Oven, which I have not tried, so this test was done in my regular oven. This set comes with 3 pans, an 8-inch round, an 8-inch square, and a 6-cup muffin pan. To test, I made muffins, and this is where things got interesting. With my usual muffin pan, I have to carefully grease every single cup or use liners, or it's a disaster. With this one, it said the pans just need a light greasing, so I took them at their word and just quickly spritzed the surface with cooking spray. It definitely did not look like enough, but I wanted a real test. I was honestly waiting for muffins to stick. They didn't. I got perfectly cooked muffins with almost nothing left on the pan. They came out clean, and the pan, a quick rinse with dish soap and water, left 0 stuck-on mess. I can say for certain that the ceramic coating is legitimately nonstick. You still have to be careful with metal utensils, but so far I'm really impressed. If you want solid bakeware without the usual cleanup fight, links are below. And subscribe if you don't want to miss the next test.